Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith and it's Friday, and you know what that means? That means it's... Oh, look at this big chasm. It's time for a big chasm. No, we might go in here and mine a little bit. But you know Friday means it's time for a Minecraft math lesson, and so... I noticed in the video last week that that was in the background. I didn't notice it during the video, because I get all into looking at myself and seeing how the video's going. And I don't notice things necessarily in the game, so don't drown, horsey. No, horsey, there you go. So we're going to go check out if I've been to I might have been to it. Honestly, I'm not really sure. That's a mesa biome. I don't know if you've seen my mesa biome, by the way. It's pretty cool. I have a mine and everything. I think I did go to this desert temple, so maybe it's kind of a letdown. I don't know, but let's go check it out together anyways. Oh, I didn't make that jump. That was a bad idea. I knew I wasn't going to make that. That was just silly. So, let's see. So this is usually how I get down here. Did I go here? Yeah, I've been here. Let's see if I left any good stuff. There's some monster meat. That comes in handy when you're gonna... You can trade with people. You can see I took all the TNT. 43. So we have 43, guys. And we end up with 56. So there's a math problem there. Figure out how many monster meat were in that last chest. Alright, so that desert temple was kind of a bust. So anyways, I was going to show you, this is where I mine for materials sometimes. So I was going to do a little bit of mining and sort of speed up the video. And then come back and we'll add up all the materials that Mr. Smith was able to mine during his time lapse. So that gold, that doesn't count. Oh goodness, I have tons of stuff already. Look at all the stuff I got. That's a lot of stuff. Alright, let's get rid of all this. Why did I have all that coal? I don't know. Anyways. So we already did some work on that monster meat. We got emeralds. I'm just making some space. I don't. Oh, we did some addition with that. Those hay bales, right, guys? I don't think I made any mistakes in last week's video. But I have to tell you, last week's video probably seemed kind of chopped up because I messed up when I recorded. I'm not very good. I'm sorry. It's probably why I didn't ever become a famous YouTuber. So, anyways, like I was gonna become a famous YouTuber. Anyways. So I'm going to do some mining and record and time-lapse it, and then we're going to do some math based on that. Alright guys, hopefully that worked the way it was supposed to and you got to see a nice little time lapse of me mining and getting materials. So we're going to go up to the surface where all my stuff is, and before we put the iron and the gold and all the stuff we got into the furnace, we'll see, we're going to figure out how much I actually did, what I made, what I got more of and all that. So that was fast. So anyways, creepers, no creepers around. Okay, good. We're safe. It's all good. So let's put away some of this stuff first. Let's make it a little easier to see what we're looking at. I had to get some. I had to process some iron so that I could. I don't know if you saw in the video, but my pick broke. All right, so. Oh, we got a bunch of things. So first off, we have to add. We have to do a couple of math problems here. This is going to be some harder math, guys. So let's line it up this way. So the first addition problem we have to do. We are adding because we're finding the total. We have redstone. We have 2 stacks of 64 and a stack of 11. So the first math problem we have to do is 64 plus 64 plus 11. All right. So I'm going to pause it, and you can do that now, and then we'll come back. All right, guys. Hopefully that worked the way it was supposed to, and you got to see a nice little time lapse of me mining and getting materials. So we're going to go up to the surface where all my stuff is, and before we put the iron and the gold and all the stuff we got into the furnace, we'll see, we're going to figure out how much I actually did, what I made, what I got more of and all that. So that was fast. So anyways, creepers, no creepers around. Okay, good. We're safe. It's all good. So let's put away some of this stuff first. Let's make it a little easier to see what we're looking at. I had to get some. I had to process some iron so that I could. I don't know if you saw in the video, but my pick broke. All right, so. Oh, we got a bunch of things. So first off, we have to add. We have to do a couple of math problems here. This is going to be some harder math, guys. So let's line it up this way. So the first addition problem we have to do. We are adding because we're finding the total. We have redstone. We have 2 stacks of 64 and a stack of 11. So the first math problem we have to do is 64 plus 64 plus 11. All right. So I'm going to pause it, and you can do that now, and then we'll come back. Okay, guys. So we had a couple things to add for this first part. So first we're going to do the redstone. So we can do this a couple of ways. I'm going to do this 2 ways. First, we're going to do it by hand. So we had 64 plus 64. Sorry, didn't know it was going to end up being such a big number, but we can do it. Plus 11. So we have 4 plus 4, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 groups of 4 is 8. And then we have to add 1 more, which means 4 plus 1 is 9, right, guys? So then we have 6 is a little bigger, but this is also 2 groups of 6. It's kind of like 6 times 2. So we have 6 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because 2 groups of 6 makes 12. And then we have 1 more here. So if you do the next number, 12 plus 1 is 13. So we have 139 redstone, right? Okay, so that's the first thing. The second one was, let's use our eraser because my face is over here, so it's hard to see. Let's erase this. Actually, I found this is a lot easier to do. We can just delete that. So then we have the coal was 64 plus 12, right? So we have 4 plus 2, so 5, 6, right? So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, well, that would be 7. So we have 139 redstone and 76 coal. So that's the math for that. All right, so then we had 15 iron and we had 10 gold. So guys, after doing your addition, which one did we have the most of? we had more redstone than anything else. We found a ton of redstone while we were mining. So we can actually make this kind of look like a little bit of a graph. So you can put things in a data table and you can see what you had the most of. So, kind of. I mean, it doesn't really work because this is 10 and this is 15 and they're one block. But these you can tell we had the most redstone, the most coal. We had 15 iron and 10 gold. So that is our addition problem for the day. So we had the most redstone. We had the least amount of gold. Last problem for those of you that really want a challenge. How much total did we mine during that time? So we have this much redstone, this much coal, this much iron, and this much gold. We have stuff up here, but that's from before. So figure that out. Probably do a calculator problem, and we'll come back. So guys, we're just about home. You did all the math together on the whiteboard with Mr. Smith, so I'm hoping you had a good week. I'm actually filming this at the beginning of the week because I'm rebuilding my computer. You might see bits and pieces of that. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe sharing some of that with you, making little videos as I'm rebuilding my computer. Making a new computer, actually, because this one is a little old and it's kind of struggling to keep up with all the videos I'm making. So I'm doing all my videos on Monday because all my computer parts come Tuesday. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this math lesson. We did a little bit of mining. We had a little bit of a time-lapse video. Here's all the cows. It kills me that all these cows are all over the place, but I guess they're free-range cows and they're fine. They'll be tastier when I eat them. Anyways, I don't kill the cows. What are you talking about? That's crazy. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed your week. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned some things, and I hope that I was able to rebuild my computer and make a nicer one so I can keep making videos for you guys, because I hear some of you like them. I don't know. I enjoy making them. I hope you like watching them. So anyways, guys, have a great week. Bye.